Welcome to your daily Drench.
This cat is preparing for bodybuilding event. This guy is dancing in the sky like dancing on land.
Act like something scared you to your dog.
Who's that?
This angry yak took a piece of car. He is skating on one leg with turns. Train rides from Zermatt to Gornergrat in Switzerland is beautiful. He hid himself by painting on his body. He turned suitcase into skateboard. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And also like, share this video.